The first thing most people say when they walk in the door is, what an amazing place to work, which we all 100% agree on. Couldn't think of a better place, especially with that as our backyard. Hi, I'm Paula. I'm the Assistant Manager here at the Milyering Discovery Centre. We are here to provide and put everyone on the most amazing holiday that they possibly can. We're assisting with a lot of camping inquiries, managing the booking system for all of Exmouth, Ningaloo and for Warra. We have all our Milyering staff out here 7 days a week. It's also a place where the rangers come out here and we use as a base to get to and from all the different locations in the park. For a snorkel, I recommend everyone go to Lakeside, my absolute favourite spot straight off the beach. You get absolutely everything you want out of living in Exmouth. It's an amazing community, plus all the adventures that you can go on.